Yeah, so my fault for the technical issue. So currently we are 180, 190, almost 200 in profit. So let's sit back and enjoy the market. Let's see what the big brothers want to do. You know what I'm talking about, right? The big brothers. Yeah, market looks pretty good today, pretty calm, unlike yesterday. Yesterday, motherfucker chopped up like couple couple hours probably. Right, I was watching the market right before the open for a long time, and for a long ass time, market was chopping around. And as soon as I was done for the day, motherfucker went up like crazy. I'm telling you, it went up like crazy. So real quick. So you see these sellers here. They are getting absorbed, right? Now alright. So these sellers got absorbed, buyers came in. Now let's see what their reaction is. You know, Wyckoff, he has couple laws for the market. Wyckoff, I think he has 3 laws: supply and demand, effort and reserve. I forgot another one, but so we want to see the effort versus the reserve. So what the fuck is wrong with my internet, bro? Anyway, so that's what we want to see. A nice little push up with the buyers getting more aggressive, right? But we still gotta wait what the big brothers wanna do, because we ain't got no control over the market. It's the big brothers who move the market. So just watching this tape, studying the tape. There's a book I recommend. Studies in Tape Reading. Yeah, I think that's a pretty fine book. Pretty good book if you wanna learn about tape reading. Damn. My internet is running like Stephen Hawking today. Crazy fucking internet. Anyways, we wait and watch. You see this buyers buying candles, long as Drake candles are super extended right now. So I want to see some kind of seller's absorption up there. See what I'm talking about? Now, here's the thing. Either these sellers can take control or these sellers can lose control. That makes sense to you. So if these sellers lose control and these buyers take over, it's a nice trade. But if these sellers take control and these buyers lose control, then the market is expected to go down. So just to be safe and preserve our capital, we are gonna move our stop loss to break even, right? So when you're uncertain about the trade, always move your stop loss to break even. Do not give back the profit and do not go in a loss. That's how you lose your capital. Always preserve your capital, folks. Always preserve your capital. That's the hardest part about trading. Once you can preserve your capital and just wait for the right moment, I think you got it. It's not that complicated. People tend to make it complicated, but it's basically simple stuff. Simple stuff, you know. Yeah, sometimes you lose, even if you're like super careful. Sometimes you lose. That's part of the journey, though. It's like, let's say you got some kind of company and you got employees. Of course, you gotta pay your employees, right? Because they're working for you, they're making your profit. So loss in the market is like paying your employees. So chopping up around a little bit, we're 215 profit in a couple of minutes, but I think it has the potential to go up to 1,000, and that's where my take profit is. But sometimes it doesn't, it doesn't always go to your take profit, and sometimes you just gotta close the trade earlier. All right. So let's do a quick market recap. What happened till now? Overnight, we made some kind of a range, trending range. See, here's the thing I told you. Every time it went down, it didn't take the low. That's how I know it's trying to be bullish. So you always gotta see by the perspective of both buyers and sellers, right? If you only see in perspective of buyers and if you don't see in perspective of sellers, then it's not gonna work out. You're just gonna see one part of the market. But if you see, oh, what if I was a seller here, and also see what if I was a buyer here, and one part shows more confidence or has more weight to it, then you take trade in that direction, because there's only two things you can do in the market. You can either buy or you can either sell, right? So you gotta see the market in terms of both perspectives. buyers and sellers, and you gotta look at the price action in both perspectives, and you gotta look at the order flow just for confirmation. Simple stuff, you know. People make it complicated, but damn, the internet is mad slow today. Sorry though, sorry. We're gonna make it work. Have to make it work. You guys should turn up the full stream. Alright. Anyways. Not so good for the stream. Stream ain't looking too good, but it's alright. So we just saw big sellers coming in. Probably took out some stop losses down there. You know, market is hunting for liquidity sometimes. These big brothers, they wanna fill in their big orders, and they gotta get some liquidity going. So, you know. So let's see in terms of order flow what we did. So there were big sellers, right? That's why the market went down, obviously. But you see the law, effort versus result. So what's the effort was big, but the result was not that good. So that's how we anticipate a reversal, and that's how we see that market is trying to break out to one side, but is failing constantly. So now, if it breaks this high, then now I can move my stop loss down here, right? Only if it breaks this high, or else I'll just take a break-even trade rather than a losing trade, and I'm fine with it. It's not a big fucking deal. People make it a big fucking deal. I mean, there's only two things you can do in life. You can either win or lose, and every time you lose, you get back again and you try again. Every time you lose, get back again, try again, get back again, and try again. And once you try enough, you're gonna win. Simple stuff. Don't make it complicated, guys. Don't make it complicated. So we are currently in 2 days losing streak. Never had 2 days losing streak in a long time. So if we can end today in green, then I'll be happy. It's nice to break that losing streak sometimes. But that doesn't mean that I'm gonna take or I'm gonna close my trade early, right? Here's what happens with some traders. They're in a losing streak and they take whatever the profit they can take from the market, but that's not how trading works, right? You gotta let your edge run for long enough time. So we just got swaps out break even. Doesn't matter. Gonna get a re-entry down the road. So effort versus result. So the effort was big here and they got some kind of result, right? So what I want to see right now is a low volume node absorption and take the move higher. So I need some confirmation down there, some form of absorption, right? And a move higher. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, let's see if this market can take it to the upside. And we just got ourselves a nice re-entry. Probably we're risking a little bit more in this trade, but it's alright. Alright, let's aim for how much? So we're risking 350. Then we're gonna aim for at least 1348. It's almost 1400. All right. So what's happening? So we're near POC. POC is a chop place. So we need a big amount of buyers to go up. So let's see. Let's watch the tape and see when the sellers give up and when buyers take control. So we just gotta be really patient right now. Just wait for some kind of structure to form. I mean, this was a nice setup. How can I tell? Let me show you. So you can see we were in a low volume node, right? And do you see where these sellers get absorbed down there? These big sellers You see, this is a absorption indicator. We got absorbed down there, retested it, didn't break the low, and all right, so we got stopped out on this trade. The stop loss might have been too small. We just got barely wicked out. So what I'm gonna do is wait for a bigger confirmation and yeah, take the trade higher. Alright, I'll be back. So we did get wicked out right there. And the market is trying to move to the upside now. So I'm not gonna take this move. So sometimes it happens, right? Even if we try and get a nice move, sometimes, you know, we can get some losing trades. So what I would like to see now is some form of a breakout from here and retest and then a move higher, right? So let's wait for another structure and then enter the market. All right. So we wait and watch. So I see some sellers getting absorbed down there again. It's not a big absorption, but you know. So right here would have been a nice entry, and it was a nice entry, but barely got wicked out around here. So you know, it happens sometimes. It's not a big fucking deal. So is this move supported by buyers is the question. Does this move make sense? Does this long make sense is the question. And right now I think it doesn't make sense to me. So look at the profiles now. See how it came back to POC, rejected at POC, went up again, come down again, rejected around POC. So today's POC is at the top, but it's making kind of a D profile, right? So could be a ranging day to me. Could be a nice little range day. You know, sometimes the market is kind of complicated, hard to understand, and that's how you know you gotta stay out of the market and just sit there and watch. I mean, we just maybe like 40 minutes in of market open, right? So nothing to rush. No need to rush some trades. Just gotta sit there and be patient. Watch every single candle, every single price coming in. I'm watching the tape right now. So right now I would say it's in a balance, right? It's moving basically sideways. So I'm being patient for it to break out to one side, make a low volume node, and then take it to that side of the breakout right after the absorption at low volume node. See, if we had taken that long, we would have been stopped out again. So it pays off to be patient, guys. Really pays off to be patient. Patience, consistency, discipline. There's a reason people admire those things, because not everybody has them. I mean, it's not that you're born with it. You just gotta build it up over time. And you gotta do stuff that's gonna build it up over time. And it's an everyday battle. It's not like you're disciplined one time in life and you're gonna be just disciplined the whole life, right? It's a everyday battle. No matter how disciplined you are, you're still gonna feel those cravings, those urges. So you just gotta suck it up sometimes and, you know, do your shit. Like right now, I'm feeling the urge to fucking click buttons and trade, right? Hop onto every single trade, every single absorption I see in the market, but I'm not. I'm basically controlling myself. I could fucking trade 20 trades in 30 minutes, but I'm not. Even I'm super disciplined in trading, I still feel those urges. So I just gotta suck it up and do my own shit, right? Follow my plans and just take the trade that makes sense to me. Because people think like, oh, some people are super disciplined, they probably don't feel those urges. They fucking do. You don't think Cristiano Ronaldo feels like eating a burger sometimes, or, you know, just sitting at home and slacking off sometimes? I mean, he got all the money in the world. Don't you think he sometimes get feeling or urges to run up to Spain or someplace and have a nice long vacation? But he gotta grind, right? And he knows that's the right thing to do for him, and that's what he does. I mean, he probably gets more urges and he probably has more distraction than any other person in the world, because he has all that money. He can afford to party for his whole life, but he still controls himself. And it's an everyday battle. It's not a one-time thing. All right, so we are seeing what do we want to see. Damn, this market been chopping around for some time. So right after that breakout, right up there, so right out of this breakout, we want to see some form of low volume. Here's the thing, not just a retest. We want to see a low volume node retest. What is a low volume node? Low volume node means price moved up quick, right? There's no volume in that place. That means it was a really directional move. Make sense? And when it comes back and does the same thing again, it makes more sense to hop onto that trade, because before it moved really quick from there. Make sense? Right? And when it comes back down again and we see some autoflow confirmation, then we can take that fucking trade, because it makes more sense on that place for that absorption to happen, because it already happened. Let's say you're at a race course, right? And there's a horse that has won 10 times straight, and there's another horse that has lost 10 times straight. Then which horse are you betting on? If you're not stupid and if you're not dumb, then of course you're betting on the horse that has won 10 times straight. So same thing in trading. Wait for either buyers or sellers to win, 2 or 3 times. Not wait for like fucking 10 times, but I hope you understand. Alright. Waiting for that breakout up there. And some form of retest. So let's see which horse wins right now. Let's see what these big brothers wanna do. Right? All right. So we are seeing some aggression from the buyers, and now I just want to wait for break of that high and some form of pullback and some form of absorption. I think my win rate is like 40, 50. Ranging from 40 to 50 right now. So nothing crazy. But I still have an edge. See, it's kind of a chopping range, so it's still not a nice confirmation for us. So this one, right? This one we could have taken up there, another low volume node down there, absorption down there. Could have made more sense, but sometimes market ain't perfect. And also the traders ain't perfect, so don't chase for perfection in trading. Chase for excellence, but don't chase for perfection. Even in life, nothing's perfect, no one's perfect, so never chase for perfection. Always chase for excellence. If you chase for perfection, you ain't gonna find it. Alright. So buyer showing some aggression up there. And see. forming some low volume nodes. So technically I want to see a pullback, right? Nice as pullback, and all right. In this candle, some sellers got absorbed. So let's take a trade. Oh, nice. They don't want this to 5. So never think like a employee in trading. Never think like a gambler in trading. Think like a casino, right? Even if you go to a casino and win couple hands or win couple $1,000, they don't care. And there's a reason they don't care, is they know over time their edge is gonna work out, right? They know they got an edge in every single game. They know they got an edge in slot machines. They know they got edge in blackjack or fucking baccarat, and they know that their edge is gonna work out. So as long as you are playing in their casino, they know they're gonna get that money back. So think like a casino in market. Let your edge play out. Even if you lose money, trust your edge, because the probabilities never play in favor, right? The probabilities are always random. You might have 10 losing trades in a row and fucking 10 winning trades after that. And you're gonna have a 50% win rate, but you see how these probabilities played out? If you have a 50% win rate, it's not like you're gonna have one winning trade and another losing trade, one winning trade and another losing trade. You might have 20 fucking losing trades and then 20 winning trades. So these probabilities, they play out really differently in these markets, right? So think like a casino, always. So we are in profit again, and this time looking stronger than ever, looking better than ever. So here's the thing. We went long on this candle, right? We had our stop loss down here. So if we had just held on to this trade and not put our stop loss to break even, then we could have been in profit till now. So I gotta put that into my journal for next time, so that I need to decide if I want to put my stop loss to break even or I don't want to put my stop loss to break even. And I want to see that. I want to, after I have a certain set of data, and I want to compare, am I having more winning trades when I'm placing my stop loss to break even, or am I having more losing trades when I'm putting my stop loss to break even? And after a certain amount of data, I can decide, right? What to do and what to not. That's why journaling is really important. Journaling basically tells you how your execution is working out. So we're seeing some form of a pullback, and yeah. So we have some aggressive buyers in this candle. Let's see if they hold up. See some aggressive buyers coming in on the tape. See if these buyers take it higher. We see some buyers, aggressive buyers coming in. See some sellers coming in now. So these buyers might get absorbed. Yep, buyers got absorbed. We hit our two stop losses for the day, and that means we are fucking done for the day. 3 days losing streak, and that announces yeah, I mean 3 days losing streak ain't that bad, right? I have had more than 3 days of winning streaks, so this was tend to happen someday. It's alright. So that's it for me today. I'm gonna journal and do some other stuff. And we have a backtesting session today around, I don't know the time, but so I'll be live around that backtesting session, and see you in that backtesting session, or see you tomorrow in the market.